Let me give you an instance. When the bloggers started bullying me, I did my best in reporting them. But later I realized that reporting them to police is like giving them job. I mean the blackmailers. Because when police arrest them, they will go online.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Lizzy Anjorin ó ti jáde ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ o. Ó ní òun sì rántí bí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bí ó ṣe máa ń búlé òun nígbà tí òun ò ní sọ̀rọ̀. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa bí àwọn ojú abẹ arábìnrin tí a tún mọ̀ sí Mama Esabod gbogbo wọn bí wọ́n ṣe ń búlé òun nígbà náà lọ́hùn-ún. Ó ní wípé ó ní tí òun ò kí sọ̀rọ̀ òun náà máa ń sá fún wọn ni. Ó ní ṣùgbọ́n báyìí ó ní àti tòjébò ló ṣàlọ́wọ́ òkú baba ńlá ẹni tí ó bọ̀. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Lizzy tún fẹ́ sọ.
And it used to be a double portion on the victim. They bully the victim will go to police. When police arrest that person, they take them to court. From court, they grant them bail, abi, and they will come online again to come and be begging for money and still continue to bully the victim. At least I witnessed this for more than 5 to 6 years before I become a speaker. I think there is a very strong stuff that can hold the blackmailers. The social media will be a peaceful place. Number one, any blackmailer that stays in abroad like Esabod, if they can bring them back home to come and face the judgment. People like Dorcas, if they can expatriate them back to Nigeria. The one in Nigeria, if they can take them to prison. If Nigerian police can be taking profiles of how they were being arrested. In fact, if they use it as a method of disgracing them, and in case they want to use them for donation, police should rearrest them again and arrest people that want to use them for donation and arrest people that donate for them. That is a simple logic. Because a blind man will never mistake me for a bully or a blackmailer. How can you expect a Nigerian police to come and help you arrest your victim? Nílùú tó lọ́ba tó níjó yìí. Ṣé fẹ́ dà Nàìjíríà rú ni? Ṣé fẹ́ dà Nàìjíríà rú ni? The world are watching. The whole world are watching everything. How can you, that you don't have a job, be telling Nigerian police to come and help you to arrest someone that is extremely hardworking, someone that has never offended you, someone that has never come to you? How can you expect, do you think police are not seeing what is going on? They saw everything. They are victims as well. They are victims as well. So I'm just telling you this, that if anybody bullies you, go to the nearest police station. Get all your documents, get everything done. Go to the nearest police station. There is something the whole world knows about Lizzy Anjorin. Lizzy Anjorin will never go for you. And do you know one thing? It depends. If you bully me, if I bullied you back, it depends on how smart your lawyer is. Because my own bully, my own side, can be out of provocation. But it's you that you provide evidence of the material you use in bullying me initially. Am I communicating? If you bully me, if I stand against you, if I take you to court, or if you go to station, I will insist that they should proceed 2 of us to court. I will insist that Nigerian police should proceed 2 of us, because 2 of us, our méjèèjì láti jọ ṣe yẹn. Tá bá wá dé court, ìwọ ló máa wá sọ fádájọ́ with time and date. I did my own out of provocation. Because le ma bully me, ke ma bully business me, ke ma bully omo mi ki ma wo yin. And we have to lecture a lot of youth. Ati àwọn àgbàlagbà tẹ́ ti sọ dolórí burúkú, it is still away some people's confidence. I remember when Esabod was alive, when Iyabojo was alive then. If they are blogging people, you will see Balele and elderly man will be crying like a baby. Olórí burúkú ojú abẹ́, Obokirun, àwáyé má ṣe rere. Khadija Oseni, àwáyé má ṣe rere. If you see the way Khadija used to bully grown-up married men, I mean men with wives. If you see how these people rubbish, no, it's too much. So, FM Abayeje, come as anybody, to mama checkmate, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Itori ìwèrè alákìísà, la ṣe ní wèrè aláṣọ. Itori ìwèrè olórí burúkú afọ̀kú gbàbàrà, la ṣe ní wèrè ṣiṣẹ́. Nobody is going to keep quiet for you. Nobody. As a matter of fact, according to the law, if you bully me, I will report you straight. And I will give you time. I can give you a year, 2 years. And I will come back. Since nothing is being done, I'll come back for you. And when we get to the court, if you now rush to court or station, like what Iyabojo did, I will now insist that they should charge 2 of us. Àwọn family oníkálùkù alọ́gbà, àwa méjèèjì. Torí ẹ bá dẹ̀ máa takò ẹ́, wàá pàdé adájọ́ tó mọ nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe. A wá bù fún yín gidi gangan, a bù fún yín tó pọ̀. Ibi la wà náà kéèsì Dúmàtà. Ibi ìbàyí la wà tẹ́ fi DPP yọ náà kéèsì Dúmàtà. Nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe ní Dúmàtà tí n bá lọ síbẹ̀, tí mo lọ bẹ̀ physically, tí mo kó èrò wọ bẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ kejì, tí mo dá gbogbo ẹrú. Kí ni ma sọ? Ani, why do you take the law into your hands? So when I take the law to the owner of the law, what did they do? What did they do? What did they do? What happened at Idumata is another evidence for me. Tó bá wá fún mi, ntin bá ṣe fún àṣegbé ni. Tó bá dé wá fún mi, mo lè lọ fún physical kí n lọ fún spiritual. Mo dẹ̀ lè ṣì máa wẹ̀ kí n kàn máa lọ fún spiritual. You cannot give me and expect me to be cool. Ìwọ ò níṣẹ́ mi níṣẹ́. Ìwọ ò níṣẹ́ mi níṣẹ́. Ẹ wo iṣẹ́ tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣe. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ listen sílẹ̀. So ṣé sister wa ìdí sọ̀rọ̀ tán mú gbọ́?
And I was trying to enlighten everybody that there is an axe. And then somebody asked, what is the punishment?
This beautiful police has given you best advice. If you feel like anybody bully you, go to station. And you can go to court. If you think anybody bullies you, go to station or go to court. That is the best advice. Then I saw one on me mo bóyá àǹtí mi court e bodo Amori Mutiri. Me mo bóyá àǹtí Olúṣọlá court e bodo Amori Mutiri. Jẹ́ kí n wò. Advice tí mo fún yín nìyẹn now, ẹ rò pé ẹ̀yin lẹ máa bá tàwọn èèyàn jẹ́. Okay, another one lele.
People saying Liz Anjorin. It's not only Liz Anjorin on social media. There is a lot of them on social media. They don't have to mention. Let's not mention names. If there's anybody, stop mentioning names. Stop mentioning names. It's not only. Let's not mention names. That is an allegation. And if you have proof, if you have proof, or
say you hear. If you have proof, proceed to court or station. Like me now, if you call me for any case, the whole Nigerian knows me. If you send me invitation, I'll be there before the date. If you send me any police invitation, I'll be, in fact,